Papasok na naman si Ganda. Char. Asa na kaya yung mga kaibigan ko? Makapasok na nga lang.
A few inches later.
Uy, te. Andito ka pala?
Kakarating ko nga lang eh. Tara, pasok na tayo.
Kanina pa kayo?
Kani-kanina lang.
May assignment kayo?
Oo.
Ako, wala.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Kopya ka na, be.
You didn't have to cut me off. Think that I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so loved.
Anong bibilhin nyo?
Yung matigas na may goreng ni auntie sa kantin.
Masarap naman.
Mas masarap pag bagong luto.